Hey everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. Let me walk you around this 2013 Chevy Suburban LT. This is the preferred, so it has the heated leather, seating for 8, DVD in the middle and second row. Of course, it's got the 5.3 all-wheel drives availability, or you can put it in 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Only 119,000 miles. It's mocha steel, kind of a gray color with the ebony interior. Heated seats, remote start, sunroof, DVDs. Like I said, seating for 8. Super clean, 2-owner. Carfax is clear. Really great service history. Has the tow package. Just a really nice Suburban for about 1/4 the price of a new one. 119,000 miles. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty that's good nationwide. You can upgrade it. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.